Hi, I'm Mike Kubicek, an applications engineer for Worldwide Electric. This is one of a series of videos to help you wire and configure our WD4X drive. In this video, we will show you how to factory default the WD4X drive back to basic settings. With the WD4X drive, we have the ability to reset our parameters back to factory defaults in case you're troubleshooting or if you're putting the drive on a new application. To do this, we'll press our right arrow until we get to our DR parameter group, and now we will hold the up arrow until we get to DR93. Hit enter to enter that parameter. Now, in this, you have the option to reset specific parameter groups or just to reset all of them in the entire drive. We're going to go ahead and do that by selecting number 1. We're going to hit enter twice to store it, and now all of the parameter groups in the drive have been reset to factory defaults, including your motor information. Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, our website is an excellent source of product documentation, and we have other helpful videos on our YouTube channel. We also have applications engineers available to answer questions for your specific application. Lastly, remember, our tech support is available 24/7, 365 days a year. And thank you for being a Worldwide customer.